Organic is like, I don't know, throwing spaghetti against the wall and hoping something will stick. But paid ads is you actually know where to throw and it sticks. So you put X amount of money in ads, you get X amount of clients. That's predictable results. I've been running it like for 6-7 full weeks only. Close to 300 purchases. Upsell is converting around 15%, just like simply comparing day and night.
Hi, Edmund.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Good to see you in the office.
Likewise.
So, what do you do in 30 seconds?
In 30 seconds, what do? I work as a sales director in a big company called Danino. I manage a pretty big sales team. And on top of that, I have opened Sales Academy here locally in Latvia. And that's pretty much it.
And this is the Academy's website. It says double your sales results. And you're also selling low ticket offers such as this one. Stop losing customers. The 4 new system. I will help you to deal with customer rejections. It is like €7. This is one of the main funnels, right?
Yeah, low ticket funnel, yes. How does the funnel look like? Can you walk me through the? Yeah, so basically the first one is €7. Mm-hmm. Then there is upsell of 97 euros. Third upsell is like 600 or 900. Changing the prices. And there's also downsell. Downsell is split payment of the first upsell in 3 parts. Okay, cool. And what kind of results have you received when we started to work together, which was a couple of months ago? Okay, in this specific funnel, low ticket funnel? Yeah, let's say about this funnel. Yeah. Well, I've been running it like for 6-7 full weeks only. Close to 300 purchases. And upsell is converting around 15%. Mm-hmm. That's pretty much it. And small percentage is converting on the split payment. Got it. Yeah. And how much does it cost you? Because I know you're running ads. How much does it cost you to get one customer? Around 14 to 15 euros. Cool. Yeah. So it's basically, and what's the average order value? Do you know that? I have it in Excel sheet. I don't recall exactly, but it's more or less. It's more. It's more. Yeah. Okay. So basically, you're even making some money and generating buyer leads predictably. Exactly. Which is pretty good. Like 6 weeks, 300. That's pretty good, right? Yeah. It's like pretty good. Okay. Cool. What have been some struggles or some challenges? Because I know you started this educational business in January, and I know we started to work in March, somewhere in March. Yep. What were the couple of struggles or challenges before we started to work? Before we started to work, well, basically the main thing I never understood is really the Facebook meta. Mm-hmm. And honestly, it still feels a little bit complicated. Okay. I know majority of the things now. I can create campaigns and so on, but sometimes it's just a bit confusing. There's this meta business, meta ads. So many different things. That was before we started working, I didn't know anything about it. So what I could do is boost post. That's all I could do. So now after we started working, I know how to create campaigns and all that stuff. Yeah. So that was actually what I was really looking for before we started to work. Cool. Yeah. What has been the biggest benefit or value you have received from our partnership when we started to work? What do you think? One of the biggest benefits was keeping me accountable. Because I'm pretty busy on a daily basis, and this is just like a side thing for me. And Gabriel was the one who was actually pushing me because, whenever we started to work, he's like, okay, we need to do this, we need to create text and all this. You need to record videos. Like, okay, I'm going to do it. But the day is so busy, and then just you realize in the evening, like 9 p.m., it's like, I didn't do it. And Gabriel's like, hey, we need it tomorrow. I was like, okay, I'll do it. So you keep postponing it, and then like after a few days, okay, I'm actually going to do it. So that was a big help. And I know one of the VSLs you made was like at midnight, right? Or something like that. Yeah. Well, because he was said, I kept postponing, and it's like, okay, tomorrow I promised him, okay, I'll just do it. 11, 12 p.m. and okay, I'll do it. Cool. Can you walk me through? So this is your IG, and in January, I think in January you said started posting. Yeah. So you started to post a lot of content, a lot of effort. You had like good editing, like good lighting, good cameras.
and you posted a lot. Did you get any results from this?
No.
No. Yeah. And what would you say is the big difference between trying to get leads, customers, organic, or trying to get customers with paid ads? Once you, of course, know how to do it correctly.
Yeah, well, I mean, just like simply comparing day and night. It's organic is like, I don't know, throwing spaghetti against the wall and hoping something will stick. But paid ads is you actually know where to throw and it sticks. So, I mean, that it's hard to compare because you put X amount of money in ads, you get X amount of clients. That's predictable results. I mean, with organic, it's not predictable. You just keep posting and you just keep hoping. That's it. You post and hope. That's the strategy. But with the paids, you pay and you know you'll get it. And then it's up to you already to convert it.
To convert it later to like ascend or do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, sharp people. By the way, if you want more leads, more sales, more meetings, more customers, below this video, I have a presentation where I show and demonstrate how we could help you to get more customers, more leads, and more sales. So if this is interesting, click below to learn more. But now let's get back to the video. And I also add that you have a really good front-end offer. So the offer is solid. It's like very enticing, simple to understand. It's low ticket. It's also like €7, not so big commitment.
Yep.
And you're going to get huge value.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
That's also very important, right?
Well, for self-liquidating, that's the most important thing, right?
Yeah.
To get them to buy, because the value should be so big and the price should look so small that it's more impulsive buy. And in general, I've heard that low ticket funnels can get even up to 10-15% front-end conversion. Mine was never that high. It's around 6.
6 from every click, 6%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's still double the regular website conversions. It's like 1 to 3, I guess, across the board. So this is 5, 6, double the conversion. Yeah.
Cool. And probably it can go higher.
Yeah.
Let's go. So, and what kind of things you sell additionally? I know you have a free school community, which is this one, right?
Yeah. Free school community. It has many digital courses inside, free of charge. People can go and watch. On top of that, one free call with me a month. You just join and ask any questions you have about sales. And I have also paid community. But I mean, this is where you can start.
And what kind of in your, let's say, training / coaching / consulting business, what kind of prices you have for different offers? I know you have the €7 thing. Then you have what kind of other things? Which are paid things, I mean.
In low ticket funnel?
No, all across the board. You have €7 thing, then what else?
Yeah, well, honestly, that's very individual so far. I mean, there have been companies coming to me, like one company comes and they don't have anything, right? They don't have the CRM, they don't have the offer, they don't know when to call, how fast to call, anything, right? And then we just do everything from scratch. And then it's
like a consulting fee.
Yeah, exactly.
Consulting service.
Someone comes and they just need one training, so it's very individual.
Okay. Yeah. And what kind of price points? How do you charge? Or what's the price based on?
Well, something, let's say, so far, whenever someone needs to implement something from scratch, more or less, I mean, to set up all the processes, it's like 3-4K.
Okay. And how do you determine the price?
On the amount of work I have to put in.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
You have like an hourly rate you're looking to hit?
Yeah, more or less. I just understand how much time it will take and then just charge. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. So what are some of the next steps you want to achieve with this training / coaching / consulting business?
Well, I guess just reach more people and help more people. Because, well, I mean, sales, in any business, sales is the essence of cash flow, right? So, I've been on calls with several businesses who are receiving leads, and then when I'm asking them, what do you do with leads? It's like, I emailed them the offer. It's like, all right, okay, good. I guess that's the issue. Yeah, so just to educate people to be better at sales, and I guess that's the main goal, just to reach more people and help more people.
Let's go. Where can people reach out to you? Where can they find you?
Instagram, this Instagram account. There is also poshsalesacademy.com.
Okay.
And I guess those are the main places.
Let's go. So I wish you to have more customers, more sales, more money. And thank you for coming today and sharing your results.
Thank you, brother.